the newest edition. Well, not the newest. I've had it for about 6 months now after wrecking the old 1987 tercel. This one's an 83 5-door wagon, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive. The mismatched rims are there's a long story behind that. Nice little wagon. Gotta love the 4-wheel drive. Nice truck. Sorry about your small penis. Reason that is on there, because I don't know many other 4-wheel drives that get 30 to 40 miles to the gallon. The interior has definitely seen better days, because it's got 290-some thousand miles on it. Let's do a cold start. It's well, let's find out what time it is. $6:21. Added a tack, some headlights on the front. Here's the 4-wheel drive. Here's the shift pattern. It's pretty cool. You got first, second, third, fourth, fifth in reverse, and then over here is extra low. But you can't go in extra low until you put it in 4-wheel drive. There's extra low. That's what happens when you take it out of 4-wheel drive. It's pretty cool. But yeah, added a radio, CV. CV's not hooked up right now. Added an extra horn right there. Yeah, I got some bow highlights on the front, but they're pointed down at the moment for crossing the median reasons. But see what she does. Bump twice. Turn the key and that's for 290,000 miles. She runs like a top. Ignore the ratchet for wiring. I need to fix that. Has an AC system, but it's not hooked up because it leaks. And there's the idle says they're climbing. I'm pretty sure it will climb to around 2,500 to 3 grand before it levels out. But since I'm not going anywhere this morning, might as well take it back down. And it's getting cold. Well, that's it on this car until I decide to go somewhere, and I'll make a video going through the gears here. So yeah, stay tuned for more on this little beast.